be 2 Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking me into war.
Yeah, we didn't record everything.
All right, bro, how's it feel?
It feels great, man.
So what happened? What'd you get done?
We got done the throttle body. The motor went on the throttle body. So Mike over there placed the throttle body. He placed the motor in the throttle body. All the new OEM electronics in there. Fixed all the exhaust leaks we had. Replaced 3 out of the 4 O2 sensors. They were bad, and that was causing all the lean issues, like at idle. But the throttle body, perfect air-fuel ratio at idle, no lights on. So yeah, he's all fixed up, ready to hit the track, and hopefully next weekend we can get it. Been talking to the tuner, we're gonna turn it up a little bit more now. It's fixed and ready to rock.
Are we gonna see some pulls in this video?
We're seeing pulls.
All right.
We're definitely seeing pulls, buddy.
There you go, man.
All right, man.
But it'll do.
It's gonna be a good video.
This is gonna be a great video.
It'll be good. Gonna be a good
This is
one.
the first drive after it's fixed, and I haven't been able to go wide open throttle in about 5 months.
You're trying to cut it out the gravel lot.
Just fell. What is that? I have no idea.
Dude, this thing is
Sounds so
wicked.
good.
This is probably the best sounding like Hemi I have heard. What's that?
I have no idea.
It's the back off of one of your, it's the back, oh, the screws in on the gauges.
Yeah, they're in. They ain't.
That's what it's from.
All right,
Knocked off something. We'll figure it out.
turn around.
Turn around, wrap it up.
I found something. It's a valve stem.
I don't know what it is. He's got
58.
How they? No, that's a misprint.
Misprint.
Missed something. Air fuel is perfect. So make left. Boost gauge. Fell off the boost gauge. I can tell you there's no boost. It doesn't show boost. All right, let's see. I don't know what it's from then. Yeah. Could be something. I'll ask Mike when we get back. So where's this from?
It's from the, like I said, back of the gauge.
Pod.
The pod? Nah, I don't know.
Yeah, so that screws into the gauge. You know that little piece of metal that goes across that holds the gauges
Yeah,
in?
but how the hell did it come out of my floor?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Let's see how it feels.
There it goes.
We just spun. Oh, man, I haven't even heard that thing in a while.
buddy.
I have not heard the whip
Nice.
in a minute.
That was good. Oh, she sounds healthy, bro.
Sounds good. Everything's good.
It's pump gas too.
I know.
Oh,
On a very conservative tune. And we're going to be
not even dialed in yet.
No.
You'll be able to dial it in now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Everything is ready to
Dial
go.
it in now.
We turn, yeah, let's U-turn it here. I'm going to turn in here first. I'm not going to turn in yet.
Yeah, they're coming
I would
hard.
have never,
They were coming.
never would have made that.
They were coming hungry.
Fast.
What the hell's going on here? Driving through this way. What? I love the sound of that blower.
A lot of trying.
We got some room.
We got some open space now.
Just wait a little bit. Come on. Right?
Oh my buddy. Yeah,
Dude.
buddy.
It's
Yo,
moving, baby.
Kong is back.
that thing wasn't stopping.
Oh, no, it just kept going.
It just kept getting. Oof. Just kept pulling, bro.
Air fuel's good, too.
It felt healthy. Healthy.
Yep. Oh, this is... Woo.
Congrats, man.
Thank you. I'm so happy
A
she's
lot
back.
of hard work.
A lot of hard
patience.
work, yep.
It's little things that get you, man.
Dude.
I know.
It's the little things that get you. That fuse ball. That fuse.
Can't floor it at 30. It just gets, it just spins.
That fuse that screwed up on me. It took me all day to find one. I finally went to an audio shop, and I had to get an audio shop.
Isn't that something? Those little tiny little gremlins. How it feel, Nick?
It feels amazing.
You happy?
Yeah, buddy.
I'm beyond happy right now.
I love it. You can take these hits on the street too.
I know.
Like you don't have to like own be a drag strip. That was sucks for us car guys.
Yeah.
You know, we need prep and
Yeah,
tires.
man.
Guys just like done and go.
Four-wheel drive, baby.
Yeah.
Even though we didn't have it in four-wheel drive. Same kind. I'm going to pull in front of you.
Okay.
Just because I don't know where else to pull.
Yeah.
So.
We're just making up our own parking lot at this point.
Oh, yeah.
I know, right? Mike, you gotta get
How does it feel after the first pull after what,
It felt
5,
good,
6
man.
months?
It felt amazing. I've been going wide open throttle since October.
Dude,
Since it happened. I've been afraid.
it felt so good.
It felt good, man.
It did.
And it kept pulling.
It was pulling.
It was pulling. I was not even. I mean, I was on it, but I wasn't like
On it.
on it. Yeah.
I'm so proud of this build right now.
I know. Kong's back, baby.
He's back.
Kong's back.
Right in time for the season, too.
Exactly. Dirty as hell. She needs a clean bath.
You can't tell on camera. It looks good.
No, yeah,
Yeah.
camera, you can never tell it looks dirty. People,
Yeah.
oh, it looks so clean. I'm like,
I know,
yes,
right?
it's the cleanest truck around. Yep.
So what are you going to say to your fans? Thanks for their patience and support and F the haters.
All that, yes. True, yeah.
I'm just saying, I'm speaking for
Dude,
you.
if you're a hater, screw you. I don't care. Well, yeah, but
We get one thing fixed and then it's another.
Yeah. Well, now he's mad it's
When you
dirty.
get into this, right, when you get into this power range, it's
Yeah.
you're gonna break stuff.
gonna break
Stuff's gonna
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what? That feeling, for the butt
Once it's
dyno
Yeah.
and everything was like, that was good.
That was She felt strong.
All right, you guys, like and subscribe. Incredible Hemi drag racing content is going to be crazy. And we'll see you at the drag strip.
Fell out.
Put some nitrous in it.